Alright guys, so I'm here with Mitch, and Mitch is officially on the Verge team.
Woo.
And so I was out slaving away, moving waterers and salt blocks for cattle. And I come back, I'm like, man, where's our new intern? Where's Mitch? And he's out here on the lazy boy, working hard.
I am working.
Blankets on, and you can see we work our interns pretty hard here at Verge. Anyways, I wanted to introduce you because I'm really excited. We're going to be launching a podcast.
Yep.
We're debating about the name right now. So if you've got some names that you think we should call this podcast, you can put it in the comment section below. But Michelle's pretty much already decided, so Mitch is going to have to try and see
we'll wiggle it out.
if he can convince Michelle otherwise. But why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, Mitch?
Yeah, my name is Mitch. I was born and raised in Calgary.
One of the three.
Yeah, true.
Michelle's the other one.
Went to University of Victoria, did a Bachelor of Science in Physical Geography with a concentration in Earth Systems, and then moved over to New Zealand, did my Master's in climatology, and then that old pandemic thing happened and brought me back home, and luckily enough I ended up on my feet right here.
Yeah, so we're stoked to have him. So he's helping us out with the new book that's going to be out next year, so almost 4 to 6 months away from now. Count my months, not long though, and we'll be hosting a launching party on the for the book here pretty quick, and we're gonna be starting a podcast. There's a brand new mapping app that's coming out in the not too distant future that Mitch is going to give me a hand with. And if that wasn't enough, as you guys know, if you've been watching the channel, we've been building a passive solar greenhouse, so I'm going to be drawing upon his climatological expertise in the way that we manipulate the microclimate inside the greenhouse. So he's going to be doing lots of cool stuff, and yeah, stay tuned. You're going to be hearing his voice a heck of a lot more, both on the YouTube channel and also on our up and coming podcast.
And if anyone has any questions regarding climatology and meteorology, just put it in the comments. Might try to just get a document with all the questions on it, answer them one by one, and then send them back through the newsletter.
Awesome. Okay, thanks Mitch.
Fantastic. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no worries. See you soon. Don't work too hard.